way of how do I draw it? Parrot. Yes, a parrot. I think we're going to have fun with it. And now let's start. First we draw a line that comes down. And first let's draw the other one that comes down like a P.
I can draw by myself.
Yes,
So
I love to see it.
Oh, sorry. So I'm going to be making a P or a parrot. P for parrot.
And then let's draw the eye.
I draw by myself.
And then let's color that in. I got to put another circle like yours. You have to. And then let's draw the beak. So let's curve down. To there. To there. And then let's draw this one that comes up. And then let's draw that line. And then let's color that also in. And then let's draw the log. Firstly, curve that, and then I will connect this to there and to there.
So you have to move that. Okay, continue. Oh, I like both of yours. So not both of yours. I like both parrots. They look so cute, don't they?
Let's draw this one. That goes to there. And then let's draw there. And then there. And then let's draw this one like an owl. We got 2 dots. Yes, and then let's draw the wing. Firstly, connect down, and then let's draw 2 lines in the other one. And then 2 lines. Yes, and then let's draw the other way. And then we can put 2 lines in the other one. To there. 2. And then 2 lines. And then let's draw this one.
So what is that you're drawing?
The legs of the parrot.
And they look dimensional. That's a really clever way of drawing legs, isn't it?
And I put 2 lines in this one. That's the log.
Yes, that's actually a really clever way of drawing legs and the tree log.
Let's draw the toes. And then put that one there. Yes, and then let's draw the wing. And we go down and then move back up like a V. Yes. And then let's draw the line. Let's go down. And then let's draw the feather. And now cut.
So what are we doing now?
Coloring.
Yes. So we're not cutting, we're coloring. So we're going to speed up. Right.
No, fast motion.
Okay. We are going
cut.
to